Falafel, a crispy Egyptian fritter dipped in yogurt sauce. How can you not like that? For all you out there, my falafel game is on point. Let's get into it. First, we have a food processor. We have soaked chickpeas. You can also use canned at home if you don't have 12 hours. Let's take the lid off and let's get all of our ingredients in. We're gonna start with chickpeas that have been soaked, just a rough chopped onion, cilantro, parsley, poblano chili, whole garlic, and some cardamom. Great. Now we're going to go in with the Herbie's kofta spice blend mix. Smells floral. You can smell the chili. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is, I'm going to put this lid on. We're going to pulse it until it looks like rough sand, and then we're going to chill it for about a half an hour until all the ingredients kind of mold together. Just gonna take a look at it. Oh, smells already ridiculous. Just gonna get the sides down a little bit. Smells so good. Take a look. Yummy. Almost there. I think one more little pulse and we're gonna be good to go. Butymus aurelius. All right, let's get this in a bowl. It's like a real nice chunky paste. You can smell the cilantro. You can smell the onion and the garlic and the kofta spice. It really blends everything so nicely. We pulsed it down. It's really coarse. It smells absolutely amazing. We're gonna chill this for a half an hour and come back. So let's get it in the fridge. And today, we're gonna be pairing this with the Caresse Cuvée Blanc. Now, this wine smells like a bouquet of flowers. And what's really nice about this pairing is that you got cardamom, you got Aleppo chili, which are really, really floral that just go dynamite with that wine. Let's pull the bowl forward and let's get in our yogurt. Really simple sauce. Now at home too, if you didn't have yogurt, you can use tahini, which is totally fine. All right, let's get our garlic powder. Boom. Dill. And a squeeze of lemon. All right, a little salt and pepper. Whisk it together. Just a really simple sauce. Absolutely delightful. All right, now how simple was that? Super simple. Okay, now I'm gonna put the yogurt in the refrigerator. I'm gonna flip-flop it for the falafel mix, and we're gonna finish that up. Boom. Oh, I just love that smell. Okay, now we're gonna put a little chickpea flour. You can also use some regular flour at home or gluten-free flour as well. Let's get that on there. Now I use about half. I'm gonna see where it's at after that. Baking soda. Get it in there. And at this point too, I'm gonna season it really well with salt and pepper. Wake it up a little bit. Okay, take it to Flavor Town because in about 3 to 4 minutes, we're gonna take it to Fry Town, baby. So let's get this going. So how I kind of monitor this is once the falafel stops sticking to your spoon, then you're gonna be good on the amount of flour that you need. We got it right where we want it. Okay, so now, and you can use any scooper you want. I have a little 1 ounce scoop just to where it's kind of sticking above it. Put it in my hand. And just kind of give them a nice little toss, just like that. Perfect size. Perfect just to grab, bite. Behind me, I've had some oil slowly going up to temp, about 350 degrees. We're gonna lightly fry these off until they're slightly golden brown. I just did a tester, I just had one, and I am blown away on how tasty these are. So let's get this going.
Nice. So nice.
All right. Those fritters are golden brown, they're crispy, and they're absolutely delightful. Now we're gonna grab a plate, we're gonna grab the yogurt sauce, and we're gonna get them on our lunch menu. So let's get this going. We have our fritters, we have our yogurt sauce. Now I'm just gonna season them with a little bit more of the Kofta Spice Blend by Herbie's. We're gonna drop some of this yogurt. Just kind of brush them out. All right, we have our yogurt sauce down, we have our fritters down. Now I'm just gonna dress it with a little bit of lemon, put the wedge on the plate. Absolutely delightful. It's simple, great for doing parties. You have a game day or anything like that. Ethnic food, love it. Absolutely delightful.